Family conflict is inevitable, and it can actually strengthen our relationships when it's handled constructively. So here are 3 ways to help you navigate family conflict. First, remember that differences should be celebrated. Try shifting your concept of right and wrong to just different. Listen to the opinions of family members and shift your judgment to curiosity. Second, consider how you communicate with your family. Fear and anger, 2 of conflict's best friends, thrive in the absence of open and honest communication. When there's a conflict, speak openly, ask questions, and be vulnerable enough to share about your feelings. This will reveal your intentions, increase understandings, and remove assumptions. Finally, don't create a conflict triangle. This happens when a third person chooses a side in a conflict between 2 people and could eventually divide the entire family over the issue. If anyone asks you to take a side in a conflict, respectfully decline and explain your reasons. It's a myth that a happy and functional family has no room for conflict. Try to see conflict as an opportunity to improve your family relationships rather than hurt them.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.